back at it again, trying to true these giant military tires that are slightly out of round. If you didn't watch my previous video trying this, I had built a contraption that was terrifyingly dangerous. And today I've built a different contraption that, while still dangerous, is far less dangerous. We are trying to use a planer this time. This is a planer designed for wood, and I built this contraption that allows it to just sit on the floor and then push up against the tire. And Caitlin here is going to rotate the tire for us, and then it basically just contacts it and takes down the high spots as it rotates. It has been working better than the previous unit. This is not a precision thing. We're just trying to get the vibration out of these tires and get them running smooth. But it's working really well, except you eat a lot of blades because this thing's designed for wood and these tire material is hard.
That's not all tire. I did quite a bit of vacuuming over here.